Hello everyone, and yes, welcome to this video, and I hope you guys will be able to enjoy. So this is Simon Peter Snipes, and I'm a Roy Club member and also a participating member of the Roy Bounty Program. And today, members, today is the 7th of April, and today is the 7th of April, and today we shall be going through a few basic things that we can do. So this video is brought to you courtesy of Roy Club Community, okay, the joint paramining platform that enables you to earn a passive income for you and for your family. So that is Roy Club Community. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys our website for a short bit, okay, and then before I get to the main content of this video. Okay, so guys, this is our website. This is the website of the Roy Club, and this is the website of the platform that enables you to make money online by just making a simple investment and sitting back and relaxing at home and enjoying your money. Okay, so Roy Club provides a 15 to 20% profit on your investment per month. Okay, and it also has different referral bonus packages that can help you grow your structure, and also helps you enable to earn at different levels from that. Okay, so this is really a Roy Club in depth. Okay, so guys, today basically we're going to be talking about YouTube, and we're going to be talking about our YouTube channels and how we can boost our searchability of our channels within the YouTube database. Okay, so we are going to be learning how to set tags for our YouTube channel, so that if someone goes to YouTube, okay, if someone goes to YouTube and is searching for probably a channel that let's say that a channel that has content to do with make money online. Okay, so we want we want we want our channel's videos. Okay, it's the channels that the videos that we're making from our channels, we want those videos of ours to also appear. Okay, we want them to also appear within this search. Okay, so let us see how we can be able to also boost our searchability of our YouTube channel, so that some of our content can also appear on some of these lists, on some of these searches, so that so that our channels can also be productive. Okay, so how we're going to be able to set some of these tags within our YouTube channels. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to click on this icon right here, and then we're going to switch to YouTube Studio. Okay, so within the YouTube Studio, we can be able to set different tags that can allow our channel to pop up on different searches that people make online. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to click on settings right here. Okay, we're going to just click, okay, let's click on settings here. All right, so when the settings pop up, so there is this that we call the channel. So this is where, when we click this is where we're going to see. Okay, so previously I had set up different tags already. Okay, so basically what we do here, we are able to set different tags that can really help boost the searchability of our of our YouTube channel. Okay, so we can actually kind of like edit some of these, and make them more descriptive, you know, like we can be like, for example, we can change this to be like how to work from home. Okay, so usually they are separated by comma, so we shall be like how to work from home. Okay, how to work from home, then you put a comma to separate it, so that in case you have to add something, it comes after that. Okay, something of that sort. Okay, so this is where you set this from. Okay, and then when you are basically done with with all the settings, and yeah, let's see, let's rewrite this, let's write that and say how to make money. Okay, how to make money. Okay, so that can be another tag of ours right there. Okay, so we can keep on changing, and adjusting, some of our tags to see that to see that our searchability can also improve with time, as time goes on, within the what within the YouTube website. Okay, so from here we can now, let's just save this. Okay, so you save that. Yes, as we can see, it tells us settings saved, and yeah, I think yeah, that is basically it. And from there, we have basically set that up, so whenever people do that, your videos can be able to pop up on those searches. Okay, so guys, that is what the tutorial has been. So this video has been brought to you by Roy Club, and it has been me, Simon Snipes, taking you through, guys. Guys, don't forget to please, guys, subscribe to my channel at Online Biz LSP. Okay, so looking forward to pushing out more sweet, interesting videos for you guys about Roy Club and other things, and I hope we can continue on this path together. Otherwise, guys, I want to thank you guys so much. Today is the 7th of April, and I wish you guys a nice time.